First, let's set up the output resolution. Head over to the Output Properties tab and change the resolution X and Y to 2048 by 2048 pixels for a clean, square render. Then, press N to open the side panel and change the cube's dimensions to X, 3 meters, Y, 3 meters, and Z, 2.5 meters. Move the cube upward so it sits neatly on the 3D grid surface. Now let's adjust the camera. Select the camera and change the lens type to orthographic for that classic isometric view. Position and scale the cube to fit within the camera's overlay by moving and resizing it accordingly. This sets the frame for our room. Go into Edit mode, switch to Vertex Selection, select one vertex and delete it to create an opening. Turn on face orientation from the viewport overlay to check for correct normals. If the blue and red faces look off, press Shift-N to recalculate normals. Then turn the overlay off again. Select the vertical face and press P separate by selection. Rename the new object as wall and the bottom face as floor. Select both the wall and floor and apply a Solidify modifier to each. For the floor, change the offset to 1. Move everything back down to the origin using Ctrl-G on Z-axis. Apply the modifiers for both the wall and floor. Now add a loop cut near the top of the wall using Ctrl-R, select the top faces and extrude along normals slightly to give the wall some thickness. To make a window, add a cube and position it on the wall where you want the window. With the cube selected, hold Ctrl on the numpad and click the wall. This uses BoolTool's difference Boolean shortcut. Make sure BoolTool is enabled in your Blender preferences. Adjust the cube for your window size. In Edit mode, select the new plane created by the Boolean cut and separate it by selection. Then inset the face a little using add vertical and horizontal loop cuts, and use Edge Select to bevel the window edges. Dissolve any unnecessary edges, and finally extrude the window frame faces and bevel for smoothness. Now, let's furnish the room. First, open your browser and search for BlenderKit. Download the plugin as a zip file, do not extract it. In Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install, and select the downloaded zip. Enable the add-on and save preferences. A new panel appears in Blender. Use the search bar to find furniture and decorations.